Hello guys, welcome to Computer Conversation again. In this video, I will be discussing about some important ports present in the computer system. So without any delay, let's start. So what does a port mean? A port is nothing but just a connecting point using which we can connect external devices with the computer. We can say that ports acts as an interface between the computer and the external devices. Basically, there are slots on motherboard where we connect those external devices either by using cables or directly. Some external devices are external hard disks, pen drive, modem, printer, scanner, and most importantly, mouse and keyboard, etc. Okay, now there are different types of ports. Here is the list of some ports. They are serial port, parallel port, PS2 port, universal serial bus or USB, VGA port, audio port, and Ethernet port. There are also other ports generally for high level purposes, but we will stick to these basic and important ports for now. Now let me discuss these ports one by one. First is serial port. This is basically a serial communication interface that is generally used to connect modems. These ports are available in two versions, which are 9-pin version and 25-pin version. As the port name suggests, this port transmits 1 bit data at a time and speed goes up to 115 kilobits per second. Next is parallel port. It is a parallel communication interface using which printers or scanners are connected. It is also called printer port. This port is available in 25-pin version. As this port name suggests, it transfers multiple bits at a time and speed goes up to 150 kilobits per second. Next is PS2 port. The term PS in the name stands for personal system. It is used for connecting old version of keyboards and mouse. Therefore, it is also called mouse port. This is available in 6-pin mini DIN version. To know what is a DIN connector, please refer to Google. This port is favored in many organizations for security reasons. Next is Universal Serial Bus port, or shortly USB. This is the most commonly used port used to connect all kinds of external USB based devices. Currently, two versions of USB is commonly in use and they are USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. Most of the computers have minimum 2 USB ports. The data transmission speed for USB 2.0 is 12 megabits per second and for USB 3.0 the speed is 5 gigabits per second. Now next is VGA port. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. It was introduced in 1987 by IBM. It is generally used to connect monitor to computer's video card and it is a 15-pin port. Like the serial port, this port also looks the same, but the port has holes instead of pins. This port utilizes analog signals and therefore resolution can be lowered. The next port is the audio port. As the name suggests, this port is for audio purpose and is used to connect any audio devices like mic, speakers or headphones, etc. Generally, there are 3 separate pinholes colored in pink, green and blue are provided as shown in the picture. They are present on the lower side of the back panel of the CPU cabinet under the USB ports. The pink port is for mic in, green port is for speaker or headphone and the blue one is for line in. And lastly, the Ethernet port. This port is used to connect a computer to a network and a high-speed internet. They are usually present beside the USB ports and their data transmission speed can be somewhere between 10 megabytes per second and 100 megabytes per second. So these were some of the important ports that I discussed about. I will discuss about the others in some other video. For now, I hope everything was clear to you. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified further.